Hey guys, Nash here. So finally Android Pie 9.0 is available and this is complete stable build where everything is working, camera is working, Play Store is working, fingerprint is working, and also I will show you how you can enable VoLTE in your phone. So let's get started. So yes guys, Android 9 is called Android Pie and you can install this on all treble supported phones. So first thing first, Play Store is working and as you can see I can install any app and I can use any app from Play Store, so that's a good thing. And then many people complain about camera, so camera is working and this is not an ordinary camera, this is Gcam. So Gcam is working on Android Pie and also on my Redmi Note 4, and that is the power of custom ROMs. Along with portrait mode we get AR sticker, same like you find in Pixel 2 phones and soon to release in Pixel 3 phone. So now you can have Android Pie and Gcam, and that's the cherry on the cake. Moving on, now we have in-call floating buttons, so when you are on call you can do other activities. Also you can manage your phone, definitely better than green line on status bar. Also whenever you take screenshot now, you will get this edit button on your status bar, so you can directly crop and edit your screenshot. Very helpful. Now you don't need to install third-party apps for that. Up next in Android Pie, now we have this new Pixel imprint where you can use one fingerprint to sign in multiple apps. Also you can use Google Play or Samsung Pay via the same fingerprint, and you can sign up for many apps and that will save you lots of time. So guys, this is complete smooth ROM and there was not even a single problem while using this as my daily driver. Wi-Fi is working, Bluetooth is working, everything is working properly. And of course with Android Pie now you get this new kind of multitasking and new swipe gestures. So this is the future of multitasking, but I still miss those 3 buttons which I have been using for last 10 years. So in this new recent menu, when you swipe to your complete left, you find this clear all button and that's very useful. Now let's have a look at some benchmark score. So how I fixed all the bugs in this ROM and how did I enable VoLTE? Let me show you how. First of all, you will need to download all these zip files, but especially this VoLTE zip. Now you need to go to your recovery and go to install tab and swipe all zip one by one. And if you want to use Gcam, then make sure you install this fixed camera zip. After that, reboot your phone, install this Gcam APK, and now you will have this complete stable Android Pie with Gcam working and VoLTE working in your phone. And if you don't know how to install Android Pie on your phone, then you can watch a video in I button. I will drop that video in description box also, so make sure you check that out. So that is how you get complete Android Pie on your phone, and I hope you enjoyed this video. And if you appreciate my work, then like this video. That is how you help this channel. This is your friend Nash signing out, and I will see you tomorrow.